Horses out, we have Joyful Ballad. Pass to begin, moving up party outside now. Security Rose, Finest Material, down on the inside. Stay at home, mom, talaga. Then followed by Security Dream, down on the inside. In between horses, Oh Minstrel and Mutya ng Pasig is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Joyful Ballad, the leader by about 2 lengths. Finest Material in second, down on the inside third. Stay at home, mom. Racing in fourth, Security Rose. Then comes Oh Minstrel, Mutya ng Pasig, Security Dream, and talaga. And that's still Joyful Ballad by Abaralenga. And in second, still is Finest Material. Stay at home, mom in third. Security Rose now trying to get closer in fourth. Oh Minstrel in fifth. Mutya ng Pasig, Security Dream, and talaga. And that's still Joyful Ballad by only half a length. Finest Material is on the outside. These two now fighting out for the lead. Finest Material now takes the lead by Oralenga. Joyful Ballad rest back in second. Security Dream in third. Mutya ng Pasig. And as they come down at the last 150, Finest Material moving up. Security Dream. Mutya ng Pasig is on the outside. Finest Material. Security Dream moving up on the outside. Finest Material. Security Dream is on the outside. And finally, it's going to be Finest Material, Security Dream. Then comes Mutya ng Pasig. Number 3 is Stay at Home, Mom, Security Rose.